初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I want to open an account.
I want to open an account.
我想开一个账户。
I want to open an account.
I want to open an account.
How much is the minimum deposit?
How much is the minimum deposit?
最低存款金额是多少？
How much is the minimum deposit?
How much is the minimum deposit?
I would like to apply for a credit card.
I would like to apply for a credit card.
我想申请一张信用卡。
I would like to apply for a credit card.
I would like to apply for a credit card.
Can you help me transfer money?
Can you help me transfer money?
你能帮我转账吗？
Can you help me transfer money?
Can you help me transfer money?
What is the interest rate?
What is the interest rate?
利率是多少？
What is the interest rate?
What is the interest rate?
I need to exchange currency.
I need to exchange currency.
我需要兑换货币。
I need to exchange currency.
I need to exchange currency.
Where is the ATM machine?
Where is the ATM machine?
ATM 机在哪里？
Where is the ATM machine?
Where is the ATM machine?
I want to check my balance.
I want to check my balance.
我想查询我的余额。
I want to check my balance.
I want to check my balance.
Can I get a printed statement?
Can I get a printed statement?
我可以打印一份对账单吗？
Can I get a printed statement?
Can I get a printed statement?
I would like to deposit cash.
I would like to deposit cash.
我想存入现金。
I would like to deposit cash.
I would like to deposit cash.
How long does the transfer take?
How long does the transfer take?
转账需要多长时间？
How long does the transfer take?
How long does the transfer take?
What is the fee for this service?
What is the fee for this service?
这项服务的费用是多少？
What is the fee for this service?
What is the fee for this service?
Can I withdraw money here?
Can I withdraw money here?
我可以在这里取钱吗？
Can I withdraw money here?
Can I withdraw money here?
I need a new bank card.
I need a new bank card.
我需要一张新的银行卡。
I need a new bank card.
I need a new bank card.
My card is lost.
My card is lost.
我的卡丢了。
My card is lost.
My card is lost.
How do I reset my PIN code?
How do I reset my PIN code?
如何重置我的 PIN 码？
How do I reset my PIN code?
How do I reset my PIN code?
Can I apply for a loan?
Can I apply for a loan?
我可以申请贷款吗？
Can I apply for a loan?
Can I apply for a loan?
What is the repayment period?
What is the repayment period?
还款期限是多久？
What is the repayment period?
What is the repayment period?
Do you offer online banking?
Do you offer online banking?
你们提供网上银行服务吗？
Do you offer online banking?
Do you offer online banking?
I want to change my address.
I want to change my address.
我想更改我的地址。
I want to change my address.
I want to change my address.
Is there a limit for withdrawal?
Is there a limit for withdrawal?
取款有限额吗？
Is there a limit for withdrawal?
Is there a limit for withdrawal?
Can I open a savings account?
Can I open a savings account?
我可以开一个储蓄账户吗？
Can I open a savings account?
Can I open a savings account?
What documents do I need?
What documents do I need?
我需要哪些文件？
What documents do I need?
What documents do I need?
Can I pay my bills here?
Can I pay my bills here?
我可以在这里支付账单吗？
Can I pay my bills here?
Can I pay my bills here?
I want to close my account.
I want to close my account.
我想关闭我的账户。
I want to close my account.
I want to close my account.
How much is the service charge?
How much is the service charge?
服务费是多少？
How much is the service charge?
How much is the service charge?
Is this bank open on weekends?
Is this bank open on weekends?
这家银行周末开门吗？
Is this bank open on weekends?
Is this bank open on weekends?
What time does the bank close?
What time does the bank close?
银行什么时候关门？
What time does the bank close?
What time does the bank close?
Can I get travel insurance here?
Can I get travel insurance here?
我可以在这里购买旅行保险吗？
Can I get travel insurance here?
Can I get travel insurance here?
Is there an international transfer fee?
Is there an international transfer fee?
有国际转账费吗？
Is there an international transfer fee?
Is there an international transfer fee?
Can I set up an automatic payment?
Can I set up an automatic payment?
我可以设置自动付款吗？
Can I set up an automatic payment?
Can I set up an automatic payment?
How do I activate my card?
How do I activate my card?
如何激活我的卡？
How do I activate my card?
How do I activate my card?
Is there a mobile app for the bank?
Is there a mobile app for the bank?
银行有手机应用吗？
Is there a mobile app for the bank?
Is there a mobile app for the bank?
Can I increase my credit limit?
Can I increase my credit limit?
我可以提高我的信用额度吗？
Can I increase my credit limit?
Can I increase my credit limit?
What is the overdraft fee?
What is the overdraft fee?
透支费是多少？
What is the overdraft fee?
What is the overdraft fee?
I want to cancel my card.
I want to cancel my card.
我想取消我的卡。
I want to cancel my card.
I want to cancel my card.
Can I receive money from abroad?
Can I receive money from abroad?
我可以接收国外汇款吗？
Can I receive money from abroad?
Can I receive money from abroad?
What is the currency exchange rate today?
What is the currency exchange rate today?
今天的货币汇率是多少？
What is the currency exchange rate today?
What is the currency exchange rate today?
Do you have a safe deposit box?
Do you have a safe deposit box?
你们有保险箱吗？
Do you have a safe deposit box?
Do you have a safe deposit box?
I want to speak to a financial advisor.
I want to speak to a financial advisor.
我想和财务顾问谈谈。
I want to speak to a financial advisor.
I want to speak to a financial advisor.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。